Okay, Dylan. So, how you like my coaching and how I helped you to be better snooker player?
I like your coaching very much because at the beginning my queuing had some problems, and after your advice, I can feel my cue arms much looser, and it's just on the table I feel more comfortable and more confident of my game.
Thanks. And what you can say for other guys who are thinking about working with me, and what you can advise. What is your advice for them?
Okay, so for my advice, I recommend other, you know, players at least take first lesson with videos and to see uh, how 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 he can give advice, and if you like it, I'm sure you can improve your overall skills. Just give it a try.
Okay, Dylan. Thanks.